Am I audible, students? Is my screen visible?
Yes, sir.
So just give me a minute, okay? Kaushik? There?
Yes, sir.
Did you try problems?
Yes, sir. I have tried it, sir. It's working, sir.
It's working? You're able to do now?
Yes, sir. I can do it, sir.
That's good. So you cracked the technique, no? Okay, shall we get started? So our topic of discussion for today is matrices and determinant, both the chapters put together, because most of the big topics are deleted, right? So we'll complete it. So shall we get started, guys? So first set of problems will be based on matrix and operations on matrices. So very, very simple problem. I'm expecting you to do it fast. Yeah, I'm not going to do them. You do it fast. So 3a minus b is equal to 5011. B is equal to 4321. Then find the value of the matrix A. You tell me the answer, I'll write.
Three one one two sir.
How much? 3,
3
1, 1.
1.
Correct? Is this what everyone is getting?
Yes, sir.
Correct. So 3112 is the answer. I need not do them, no? This one. Find the value of x minus y. See, if there is any problem you want me to do, please stop. Okay. So find the value of x minus y. So 2 into 130x plus y012 is equal to 5618. So what will happen to the 2? It will get multiplied with okay, you do, I'll also do.
Sir, his answer is 0.
I have to check down. So 2x is equal to. So x is 3, y is also 3. Yeah, x minus y should be a 0. That's what even I'm getting. Yes, it is. So for these problems, it is all about time only. So do it fast. Each problem 1 minute. Less than a minute, in fact. Yeah, do this one. This might take some time. Do it. So if a square matrix is such that a square is equal to I, then find the simplified value of a minus I cube plus a plus I cube minus 7a. So what is given? A square is equal to I. Then find the simplified value of a minus I cube plus a plus I the whole cube minus 7a.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, can you show the previous question? 1 second.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Done? Okay. Anybody with the answer? Anybody willing to suggest me the steps? So a minus I the whole cube, what should I do? A cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus I cube. Plus what is going to be a plus I the whole cube? A cube plus I cube plus 3a square I plus 3ai square.
Sir, is the answer A?
Correct. Correct. A is correct. So tell me how to do. What will get cancelled? 3a square I and 3a square I are gone. I cube and I cube are gone. So what do you have? A cube plus A cube is 2a cube plus 3ai square plus 3ai square is 6ai square minus 7a. Tell me now, what is A cube? A square is I abdina. What is A cube? If A square is I, multiplying with A, post multiplication, I'll get A cube is equal to I into A, which is going to give me an A. So A cube is A. What about A into I square? What is I square?
I.
I. So I into A is again
A.
A. So A cube, I can replace it with A plus 6. This I can replace it with A minus A. So like how you told, the answer is A. This is the simplified form they are expecting. I hope everyone is clear, right? A good problem. Mark it as important. Okay. Shall I proceed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Write the number of all possible matrices of order 2 by 2 with the entry 1, 2, 3.
Sir, 81.
Correct. So how did you get that 81? You have 4 elements, right? You have 3 options. So 3 options raised to the power of number of elements is going to give you 81. Answer. So here, if you observe, they're not asking you to multiply, rather they are asking you the order of the matrix. So when you want to multiply 2 matrices, what is the important condition?
Column of the first matrix to be equal to the row of the second matrix.
Column means number of, no? Number of. Yeah? The number of columns in
sir.
the matrix should be equal to the number of
Equal to the
rows of
rows
second matrix.
second matrix.
So what is going to be the value here? It is going to be 1 cross
3.
3. Then what is this going to be? 3 cross 3. And what is this going to be? 3 cross
1.
1. So when 1 cross 3 and 3 cross 3 are multiplied, what will be the matrix you will get? You will get another 1 cross 3 matrix. So 1 cross 3 and 3 cross 1 multiplied, you will get a 1 cross 1 matrix. Means you will get a single digit. Right. Here they have multiplied, but Just they ask the order, no? But you know how to multiply it, right? So what are we supposed to do? Can you do the multiplication also faster? Just for the sake of practice.
So -4, sir.
I think that's the answer, no? -4, correct. So everybody knows to multiply, no? Do this one. Write the element or element A of a 3 cross 3 matrix where A is equal to Aij, whose elements are given by Aij is equal to magnitude of, that is modulus of I minus j divided by 2. So what will be the elements? A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Substitute the values, find out and tell me what is the answer. I'll just write those numbers. Correct? Huh?
Yes, sir. Right.
They didn't give the matrix. Huh? Answer is 0, half 1, half 0, half 1, half 0. Simple, do it fast. So 2x 3 is one matrix. 1, 2 minus 3, 0 is another matrix. X3 is another matrix. Then find the value of x. I'll be back in 2 minutes. Keep solving, okay? Yeah, sorry guys. Yeah, what is the answer?
Sir, is it x is equal to minus 3 by 2?
Minus 3 by 2, I think so. Correct. So there are two options actually given.
0 also, sir.
Is
Did you
0
get you got a quadratic equation, no? Yeah,
Huh.
Yes,
answer
sir.
is 0, 3 by 2. So when you multiply, you're going to get, when you multiply these two, you're going to get 2x minus 9 and 4x. When you multiply these two, you're getting 2x square minus 9x plus 12. So, sorry, plus 2x square plus 3x. So answer is x is equal to 0 or x is equal to minus 3 by 2. So we can go a little faster. So this is similar to the second problem that we did. Answer 6, 8, 10, 2x, 1y, 0, 1 is equal to 7, 0, 10, 5. Okay. So answer will be 6 plus 1, 7. Okay. 8 plus y is 0. So y is minus 8. 2x plus 1 is 5. So 2x is equal to 4. X will be 2. Right. Simple.
So then x minus
What
y
is
is
that? X minus y
x
is
minus
asking.
y
1
10.
minute. 2x plus 1 only. No. 2x plus 1 is 5. But 2x 1 the 4. X is 2. Okay. So y is minus 8. So x minus y will be 10.
10.
Solve the following matrix equation. X is equal to, no? So when you multiply both, you will get x minus 2, 0 is equal to 0. So x minus 2 is 0. Actually, you get 0, 0. So x minus 2 is 0 means x is equal to 2. Do this problem. Fast. If A is a square matrix such that A square is equal to A, then write the value of 7A minus I plus A the whole cube, where I is an identity matrix. Maybe in the simplest form. That's what they're asking. So 7A
Sir, is it
minus
minus
A
I?
vada
Minus I, sir.
minus I. That is the answer. Correct. So 7A minus I plus A cube and what can I do? A cube another.
Sir, for this, for in a square is equal to a, can we pre-multiplied by a inverse? So we'll get it as a is equal to I and directly substitute it over
You
there.
can do that. You can do that. So A square is equal to A. So I into A square is equal to, sorry, A inverse.
Yes,
A
sir.
into A square is equal to A inverse into A. So A inverse into A square is A, and this is going to be I. Plus, A cube என்னமா இருக்கும்? So A இருக்கிற இடத்துல you want to substitute it as I.
Yes, sir.
Then it will be easy, correct? அப்ப I square எல்லாமே I ஆயிடும். That will be easy. So 7I minus I plus A cube is I cube, which is going to be I plus 3A square again I. So 3I cube, which is I plus 3I. So 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 8. So 7I minus 8I is going to be minus I, correct?
Sir, can't we write directly into that equation instead of expanding it like
Oh,
express?
want to write it
Yes,
here.
sir.
That's better, no? Actually, yeah. So 7A minus of 2I the whole cube. That will be 8I cube. Correct. You can directly write it. Sorry, I didn't observe that. Yeah. They also expanded. Actually, that's smarter way. So transpose of a matrix, symmetric and skew symmetric matrices. So write down. So A is equal to 1, 2, 2, 2, 1x minus 2, 2, minus 1 is a matrix satisfying A into A transpose is equal to 9, 9. Find X. Okay, you have to find the A transpose, multiply both and equate it to 9i and find the value of X. Do it fast. So A is 1, 2, 2, 2, 1x minus 2, 2, minus 1 into A transpose is going to be 1, 2, 2, 2 minus 2, 1 minus 1 x and 2. So this will be equal to 9 into actually 999,000,000.
Sir, is x is equal to -2?
Minus 2 தெரியலங்க then I think -2 only. 2 இருக்கு but I don't know if it is minus. Let's validate with someone else. So 1 plus 4 plus 4 inga 9 2 plus 2 plus 2x. So 4 plus 2x. So 4 plus 2x is 0. X is equal to -2 then. Here itself we are
Yes, sir.
getting no 4 plus 2x on the 0, x is equal to -2. That's it. But you have to show it completely. Don't do it like this. Okay. If it is MCQ, stop it with this step. If it is subjective, you need to show all the steps. Because
Yes,
in
sir.
that they will verify whether you know to multiply or not. Seriya? So shall I proceed? So if a matrix is skew symmetric, then find the value of A and B. So what is the meaning of skew symmetric?
A transpose will be equal to minus of A.
So A transpose is the negative of A. Kandupidi. So A transpose is what? 0, A minus 3, 2B, 0, 0, minus 1, 1 is equal to negative of A is 0 minus A3 minus 2, 0, 1 minus B minus 1, 0. So A on the minus 2, B is 3. No? Correct? Am I right, guys? Shall we proceed?
Yes, sir.
Now they are asking symmetry. So if it has to be symmetric, then what should happen? 2B should be equal to 3 and minus 2 should be equal to 3A. Correct? So B should be 3 by 2. A should be minus 2 by 3. So what is the condition for symmetric? A is equal to A transpose. So A is the same thing. 3, 1, 3, 3A, 3 minus 1. A transpose is going to be 0, 2B minus 2, 3, 3A, 1 minus 1, 3 and 3. So equating 2B will be equal to 3. Similarly, minus 2 will be equal to 3A. Simple. Next. I think 1 minute. Sorry, try பண்ணுங்க இத. If A is equal to cos alpha, sin alpha, minus sin alpha, cos alpha, then find a satisfying value of alpha when A plus A transpose is equal to root 2 times I2. That is identity matrix, where AT stands for the transpose of the matrix. So A plus A transpose. So cos alpha, sin alpha, minus sin alpha, cos alpha. is equal to root 2 times, or I can write root 2, 0, 0. Okay. Now what are we seeing? 2 times cos alpha 0, 0 2 times cos alpha is equal to root 2, 0, 0, root 2. So 2 cos alpha is equal to root 2, which implies cos alpha is equal to 1 by root 2. Alpha evrada? Pi by 4, because they're asking the value between 0 to pi by 2. So the value of alpha is going to be pi by 4. Clear? So how to do this? So how can you write a matrix as a sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix? Guys, I need a response. So if I give you a matrix, how will you write it as sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix? You'll write it as half into A plus A transpose plus half into A minus
A
A
minus
transpose.
A transpose.
So can you do that? So write it like that and show. I want the final answer.
Sir,
Yeah, tell me.
60
I'll write.
6006
6006 plus.
is the symmetric matrix.
Okay.
Minus 3, 5,
Mhm.
7, 3.
Minus 5, minus 3, 5,
7, 3.
7, 3. Is it the skew symmetric matrix? But this 5 and 7 are disturbing me, da?
Sir, symmetric is 3669.
Oh dear. 3669. Yes, nothing.
Skew
A is
symmetric is
skew symmetric evolo. Six, 12, 12, 18. So by 2 aguma. So by 2 ana it will be 3669. 3669. Skew symmetric another.
0
A
minus 1 minus 1 0.
0 minus 1. This makes sense. 0 minus 1 minus 1 0 then.
Yes, sir.
It's not given here, but that's right. So A can be written as a sum of a symmetric and a skew symmetric matrix P and Q. Okay. So now we'll move on to the determinants part. So in determinant, first we'll concentrate on the expansion of a determinant. So find the determinant of AB. So A into B is how much? 0, 0, 0, 0. So determinant of AB is 0 only. So what is the difference between a matrix and a determinant? So can I write this also as 0? A into B is 0. Can I write it like that? If I write it like that, what does the 0 represent and what does the 0 represent? What
First
does
zero
Scalar,
matrix.
sir. One
so
is
Zero matrix.
one represents basically a matrix. What is this? There's just a number. The determinant is going to give us a number, that's it, right? Find the maximum value of. So there's actually a combination of determinants and maxima minima. Do it. See if you're able to solve without properties. Right? Did you understand what I did?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So they ask the maximum value. Maximum value is obtained at pi by 4, and at pi by 4, answer is going to be 3 by 2. But wait, they have given the answer as half.
Sir, you missed a one.
Where? Where did I?
Sir, in the first step, sir. 1 plus sine theta, 1 plus cos theta minus b.
Okay, that only I added, no, 1 plus sine theta cos theta. Then either. That is what is.
No, sir, in the first step, 1
1
plus
into
sine theta multiplied by 1 plus cos theta, and then
Okay.
minus 1 will come.
1 plus sine theta plus cos theta plus sine theta into cos theta, 4 terms, minus 1 into 1 plus cos theta minus 1. So 1 and 1 got cancelled. No, so I'm left out with cos theta. So minus cos theta is minus cos theta plus this 1 into 1 plus
Sir.
cos theta.
Sir, in the first, no, sir, like 1 into 1 plus sine theta into 1 plus cos theta, minus 1 will come.
Oh. So this and this will get cancelled, no? So then I'll get half only, correct? I got it. Sorry, was my mistake. So 1 plus sin theta and 1 plus cos theta minus, I forgot this one. Yeah. No, do this.
Sir, there should be show the second derivative.
You see, even if you want to show it, it's very simple, because first derivative is coming as cos. Second derivative is going to be negative of sine. Without a doubt,
Yes.
it's going to be less than. Right, it's only one step. Now, if you want, you can show it. So take this, no, x sine theta cos theta minus sine theta minus x1 cos theta 1x. Right, the value of x. So x into minus x square minus 1 minus sine theta into minus x sine theta minus cos theta plus cos theta into minus sine theta plus x cos theta. This should be equal to 8. So minus x cube minus x sine square theta plus sine theta cos theta minus sine theta cos theta plus x cos square theta is equal to this, and this are gone.
So the
Uh,
third term, plus
which
x
one?
sin square theta.
Eduma? Iduva?
This one,
Plus. Okay. So then I can take x common. So I'll have minus x cube minus
So I said 2.
2 answer. இல்லையே, இதை imaginary value போட்டிருக்க. X is equal to minus 2. Minus 2 இருக்குடா. Check it out. No?
Yes,
So
sir.
x cube minus x plus x is equal to 8. So x cube plus x minus x and x are gone. So x cube is equal to, or x cube is equal to minus 8. Up x1 the minus 2. Minus 2 is the answer. Right. Tell me how to solve this. So what is the cofactor of the element a to 1? Minus 1 to the power of 2 plus 1 into m to 1.
Plus 4.
So what is
Here's
what is
3.
3?
Plus 4, sir.
3 is the answer. So what is m to 1? Second row, first column. If you ignore this, then you will get 18 minus 21. So 18 minus 21 is minus 3. So minus 1 into minus 3 is going to be plus 3. So this is going to be the cofactor a to 1. Got it? Is everyone clear with what is the difference between a minor and a cofactor? Is there anyone having doubt in it? So minor is basically a determinant obtained by, tell me the definitions, guys. Obtained by omitting the ith row and jth column. Then what is a cofactor? Cofactor is basically minus 1 to the power of I plus j multiplied with the minor of ij. Correct? So having this cofactor in mind, what is the actual definition of determinant? This can be an MCQ. This I have explained in class. So what is determinant? Determinant is basically sum of elements
Cofactors of all. Any row.
Elements multiplied with its corresponding cofactors and added. That is the sum of the product of elements and its corresponding cofactors. So A11 into A11 plus A12 into A12 plus A13 into A13. If at all, if I have something like this, A11 into A12 plus A12 into A12 plus A13 into A13, what will be the answer?
0.
Yes. So because determinant is always like this and this should be the same. So 3 is the answer. Now tell me what the answer for this. See, it's a very simple problem. Tell me
Sir,
that.
in that slide, can you show?
Yeah, 1 minute. 1 minute.
Yes, sir.
Tell me. Tell me.
Sir, can you write on, like, I will tell matrix.
Yeah, tell me. Tell me.
So A11 and capital A11
Okay, cofactor.
plus A21, capital A21, cofactor A21 plus A31, cofactor A31.
Okay. This
Sir,
is still
will
a
this,
determinant. Yes,
okay.
this is determinant. That is the definition, no? An element multiplied with its corresponding cofactor. Then it's a determinant. Actually, what you did is A11, A21, A31. You did it along the row. Means you expanded along the row. You can do it.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Say column machine.
Oh, sorry. Yeah.
Column, yeah.
You expanded along the column, along the elements of the first column. So A is equal to 1, 2, 3 minus 1, B is equal to 1, 3 minus 1, 1, and AB say this is a very simple problem. Da. Do it fast.
Minus 28, sir.
Minus 8, 28.
28.
The answer. So the answer. So this and all I'm not doing okay. Is holding in the interval. Okay, in the interval x belonging to pi by 2 to pi, that is in the second quadrant, find the value of x for which the matrix is singular. What do you mean by singular matrix?
Determinant of
Determinant
A,
will
that
be
matrix is 0.
0. So determinant is 0 means 4 sine square x minus 3 is equal to 0. So sine square x is equal to 3 by 4. So sine x will be equal to plus or minus root 3 by 2. So in the second quadrant, what is the value it is going to take? X can either be pi by 3 or 2 pi by 3. So among these two, which one should I take? 2 pi by 3. That's going to be the answer. Puridada. So pi by 3 is rejected because of the domain that they have defined. Answer. So 2x square is equal to 6, which implies x is equal to plus or minus root 3. 2x square is equal to 6. Oh, this is. Oh, wait. Sorry. This is determinant, no? I did matrix.
X
So
is plus or minus 6, right?
plus or minus 6.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me check. So 2x square minus 40 is equal to 18 plus 14, that is 32. So 2x square is equal to 72. X will be equal to plus or minus 6. This is simple, okay. Value of the determinant. These are all very simple problems. Adjoint and inverse of a matrix. So for any 2 cross 2 matrix, A into adjoint of A is equal to 8008. Then write the value of det A.
Is it 8?
So how did you get it?
Sir, A adjoint A is equal to determinant A into I.
Into I, correct. A into adjoint of A should be equal to, or adjoint of A into A is equal to det of A into I. So 8 should be the answer. So A into adjoint of A. So what should I take out? 8 if I take out, it will be 1001. All right. So this is 8 times I. This will be. Check the consistency. So when it has unique solution, it is going to be a consistent equation. For what value of k, the system of linear equation x plus y plus z is equal to 2x plus y minus z is equal to 3 and 3x plus 2y plus kz is equal to 4 has unique solution. So what should be the condition, guys? When you write it in the form, Ax is equal to B, where A matrix will be the coefficient matrix, X will be the variable matrix, and B will be the constant matrix. When you write it in this form, what should be the condition for the system of equations to have unique solution? Determinant of A should be not equal to 0. Correct?
Sir,
what
A
is
inverse should exist.
other A inverse exists on, and it should be a non-singular matrix, because what is A inverse? Adjoint of A divided by det A. So det A should not be equal to 0. Other meaning.
Yes, sir.
Another question that they didn't say find the value for what values of k, because when you equate to 2 not equal to 0, you will get multiple values. So if you take it 1 1 1 2 1 minus 1 3 2 k should be value not equal to 0. Can you find out and tell me what is the value? The simple expansion. I hope everybody understood why I got 1 1 1, because A is the coefficient matrix. Answer, please. That's it. No. Why is no one responding? K should not be equal to 0 means K can take any real number except 0. Right. How to find the adjoint of a given matrix? What is adjoint, guys? It is the transpose of, I want an answer, transpose of dash matrix.
Cofactor matrix.
Yes. So first, write down the cofactor matrix, take the transpose of it, that will give you the adjoint. So A
29,
would
sir. 29.
No. What 29? You will not get a number. Adjoint is a matrix. For determinant of A, sorry.
Determinant, sir.
Sorry, no, I didn't see that. 29 ada.
Yes, sir.
But that's not given here. See, there is
Sir, is
actually
it
a property. There is a property, no. One is the answer. There is a property, guys. Determinant of adjoint of A is equal to det power n minus 1, where n is the order of the matrix. You guys know this or not?
Yes, sir.
No. So you need not sit and solve. So what is the determinant of A? 15 minus 14, 1. 1 to the power of 2 minus 1. Answer will be 1. That is the answer. Right. So if A is a square matrix of order 3 such that determinant of adjoint of A is 64, then det A is equal to. So 64 is equal to determinant of A to the power of square matrix means 2 minus 1 means the determinant of A is 64. That's the answer.
The 3 minus 1, sir.
See, I saw the square actually. I didn't see this one. Order. Sorry, my bad. It was 3 minus 1. So determinant of A square. So determinant of A will be equal to plus or minus 8. Right. One common mistake that will happen is most of them get confused between determinant and modulus. Determinant can be negative also. So don't ignore the minus sign. So find A inverse. Well, how do you find A inverse? There are actually two methods. One is elementary operation, which is deleted, and the second is adjoint of A divided by det A. So what is the adjoint of A, guys? So write the cofactor matrix. What is going to be the cofactor matrix? 3
minus
2,
5, minus 1, 2.
Now there is a cofactor matrix. Sorry, this is adjoint divided by determinant is going to be
1.
1, sir.
Yeah. So determinant is going to be 1. Answer will be 3 minus 2 minus, sorry, 3 minus 5 minus 1, 2. That is inverse. So I hope you can handle it for order 3 also, right? You guys can do it. So for that, you can practice from the textbook, right? So it's very simple chapter actually. So with that, we are done with matrices and determinants also. Right? So with that being said, can we wind up? Or is there any question that you have for the upcoming test? Part test 2, we have only 2 chapters, no? Applications of derivatives, sorry, 3 chapters, applications of derivatives, matrices and determinants. So I hope all the chapters are thorough, right? You're thorough. You know the concepts, right? Give me a
Yes, sir.
confirmation. Very good. So let's see. Okay. See, part test 1 papers are corrected. You will get it by tomorrow. Okay. So shall we wind up?
Yes, sir.
Okay. See
Yes,
you
sir.
all. Yeah. See you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.